Hello and welcome back. Have you ever wished tracking time could just be simple? No messy spreadsheets, no clunky payroll systems, no formulas you're afraid to touch. Just type in your hours, hit save, and everything calculates for you. Clean, accurate, and automatic. That's exactly what this app does. Right now on my screen, I'm showing you a fully functional weekly timesheet that was built from a standard Excel file and turned into a responsive web application using Spreadsheet Web. What started as rows and formulas is now a professional tool that anyone can use. No Excel experience needed. At the top of the app, there's a field labeled First Day, where you choose when your work week begins. For this example, I set it right to July 21st, 2025. Right below that, there's a drop-down to select the staff member. For this walkthrough, we're using Staff 1. As soon as that's filled in, the app automatically generates the rest of the layout. Monday through Sunday with all the correct matching dates. Each day of the week has a full row where you can enter your shift details. There's a column for where you clock in, 2 separate spaces for breaks, and a field for when your shift ends. To the right, the app handles all the math. It calculates your total time worked, how much of that is regular time, and whether any of it qualifies as overtime. Let me show you what that looks like in action. So for Monday, July 21st, I entered 8 a.m. as the start time. Then I logged the lunch break from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and the second break from 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. The end time for the shift was 5 p.m. Instantly, the app calculated the total hours worked for the day. 7 hours and 30 minutes, which shows as 7:50. Since that's under 8 hours, the entire shift is logged as regular time, with 0 overtime. Everything updates live. As soon as I scroll down, I can do the same for Tuesday, Wednesday, and the rest of the week. And at the bottom, there's a total row that adds up everything. Total hours worked, regular hours, and any overtime, all without touching a calculator or Excel formula. Once your team starts submitting their weekly timesheets, all that information is automatically stored and organized in one central place, the data section. When you click into the data tab, you'll see a full breakdown of every submission made through the form. It includes key details like the staff name, the week the timesheet covers, the user who submitted it, the date created, and the last update in case any changes were made later. You'll also see tags used to categorize each entry and available actions like editing, deleting, or exporting. This setup makes it super easy to track submissions, follow up with the team, and quickly identify any missing or late entries. If you're managing multiple staff members, you can also filter the data by week, users, or tags to find exactly what you need without the hassle of digging through emails or chasing people down. This isn't just a nice looking interface, it's a real working solution. Whether you manage a team, track your own freelance hours, or just want to keep better records, this app makes it effortless. And because it's powered by Spreadsheet Web, you can customize it endlessly, add new fields, change how overtime works, track multiple staff members. It's all built on the Excel logic you already know, just with a front end that feels modern and professional. So if you're ready to stop stressing over timesheets and start using a tool that actually makes sense, this is the one. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on how to build it from scratch, or if you want the template for your own use. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and share this with anyone who's still stuck doing time tracking the hard way.